If you make beans like this, you won't want it any other way. This recipe is unbelievable, guys. It's super tasty. We'll use 1 kilogram of beans and cover it with water and half squeeze the lemon. Let's let it there for 30 minutes, all right? Meanwhile, in your pressure pan, let's put a lot of oil, add garlic, let it fry very well, then add the beans without the water, okay? Meanwhile, in a frying pan, we are going to fry some bacon and put inside of the pan with the beans. It's gonna give this irresistible taste. Don't forget to add 1 purple onion, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 pepper, and 2 potatoes, guys. Everything like this, okay? And cover it with water. Now in medium heat, we are going to cook it and go seeing how the cooking of the beans is. When it gets pressure, count 20 minutes, then take out the legumes. This way, as you can see on the video. Then I seasoned it with paprika, salt, and pepper on pepper. Now we'll also use some pepperoni sausage. Let's slice it this way, as you can see on the video. And don't turn off the beans, okay? Then add all the pepperoni sausage and a cup of water. Mix everything very well, then let's cover it just to let it cook. Then the legumes we're going to beat in the blender, all right? Yes, guys, we're going to beat it very well all together. And this mixture will give a very good taste to our beans. Not mentioning the vitamins and nutrients, right? Besides the beans already being good for your health, we put all the legumes that they are even better. I finished it with some green onion, but it's totally optional. And look at it, guys. Make these beans at your house, and I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family is gonna fall in love with it. You can eat just like this, with no side dish. But imagine with some rice. Seriously, guys, you can freeze it and have it in your fridge every single day, and it's super delicious, all right? And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us and helps us to bring more recipes like this one. See ya!